Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to find out if your laptop has been hacked, right? So let's go ahead and show you, guys. Definitely no one want their laptop or their computer to be hacked. Now what you need to do is to press on the Windows, then the R key, and then you're going to type in the command prompt there. You're going to type in netpliz. Once you have done that, click on OK or enter, right? And this will show you if there are other users. As you can see, I'm Femitech, and that is the administrator, so there is no other user. Now if you would have done this and you see a second user in this list, you will actually click on remove, and that will actually remove the hacker that would have hacked into your laptop. Once you have done that, click OK and you're good to go. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.